want to watch? Choose something. What do you want to watch? That one.
I can't do it. Look at that. He's trying to figure out how it works. There you go, get it. Whoops. Oh, get it. A little much. Ow. Hi, who's a happy bird? Who's a happy bird? Look at that yummy food for a good boy. Wanna switch sides? Okay, let's get sun on this side. Yeah. I don't know how much longer I could stay out here. I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm getting very hot. I'm getting very hot. Ooh, a good itch. Hi. So we are having a lot of fun trying to take pictures and video of all 7 of our baby hyacinths right now. And I can't believe we've made it this far because we have been trying to chase them. Oh my gosh, but they are so adorable. Anybody that hasn't come to see them yet, I do encourage you to do so because they are absolutely adorable and we are having so much fun with them. But there they are, all 7 of this year's babies. Oh, where are you going? Come over here. Where are you going? You silly bird. Yeah. All right, so everybody come by and see them if you haven't had a chance to yet.